Hi. You talking? You saying hi to Grandpa? Good. You found your voice, huh? You found your voice. You gonna say some more? Really? Really? Did all that happen yesterday? Huh? Did all that happen yesterday? Say, I talk loud enough that I even wake my mommy up and keep her up because I just want to sit next to the bed and talk. Anything more? Uh-oh. Anything more? Caleb. Caleb. Are you getting agitated? Am I supposed to move you to make you comfortable? Here. Is that it? Caleb. I guess that's all. He only has little spurts of it.